Welcome to Millennium Computer's fast online tutorials for web requisitioning. In this session, you will learn how to add accounting information to a requisition. Now that you have added the commodity items, you can add accounting information to balance the requisition. The amounts will display in red until the accounting codes have been applied. Default coding is enabled, indicating the accounting information used for this commodity item will be used for all other commodity items in this requisition. If you don't want to use the same accounting information for all commodity items, you can edit the item and remove the default check mark. Click the checkbox to remove the default coding. When you remove the default coding option, you must change the accounting codes for each commodity. However, for the purposes of this tutorial, we will be using the default coding. Type the codes in the boxes or select them from the list. After you double-click, the list closes. After you select the code, you can also click the green check mark to close the list. For this example, the program code can stay the same. Because the default coding is enabled, all commodity items are now balanced. Click the amount for commodity item 2 to view the coding. The same coding is applied to commodity item 2, and the amounts now display in green. You also have the option to split the accounting information over 2 or more lines for a commodity item. Change the amount and then click the Save icon with the plus beside it to add another accounting line. Note both commodity amounts are red. This is because a second accounting line hasn't been saved. The balance of the amount is automatically inserted. There are now 2 accounting lines for commodity item 1. Because the default coding is enabled, commodity item 2 is also balanced. The accounting for commodity item 2 is also split over 2 lines using the same codes and the same percentage split for the amount. If you need to change the amount, it is very easy to edit it. Click the amount for the commodity item you want to change. Accounting information for commodity item 1 now displays. Click the edit icon. Change the unit price for the commodity item and click Save. And in the accounting section, the amounts are automatically updated. If you've already added accounting lines but need to add another commodity item, just click the icon above the commodity section. You can also add a new accounting line for a commodity item. However, please be aware that it is the same as splitting the accounting line. You have seen the icons at the bottom of the requisition, and now I will give you a brief explanation of each of them. When you click the icon with a green arrow, you can view approval history, which is a list of who the requisition has been sent to. A PDF opens with an exact copy of the requisition. You can click this icon when you have finished the requisition and are ready to have it approved. If you don't need the requisition any longer, all you have to do is click this icon to cancel it. Some institutions give you the option to check for specific warnings.